let's see if I don't mess this up, because I always do. Proper planning prevents piss poor performance. 6 Ps. That's what we're talking about here today. So many shops that I speak with do not put enough careful effort into proper planning processes up front. That's a lot of Ps. And that bites them in the butt in the long run, quite honestly. When you take a new job or even quote a new job and you don't look in detail at the little nuances, the things that might bite you later, they are going to bite you later. I can promise you that. So if you don't remember to order that long lead time end mill or that material, or make sure the special process with careful masking requirements doesn't get well documented and flowed down to your vendors, whatever the details are, they are going to bite you in the ass if you do not plan for them up front. The companies that are the most successful, that have the least stress, that have the fewest amount of fires burning at any one time, those are the shops that do much more careful planning and processing up front. And many shops that didn't used to do that, they thought it was not time well spent. They didn't have time to do it. They just got the job and throw it over the wall to manufacturing, figuring that was the fastest way to get to the end result. That is never the fastest way to get to the end result. There are always things that you need to spend at least a few minutes, not a ton of time. We're not talking about hours and hours of time here. We're talking about just a few key moments to document and plan what you need to do, all the things that need to come together to get your customers the final parts on time with great quality and great paperwork. So that is what the blog is about this week. I hope you find value in it. Please share any comments or thoughts or arguments that you'd like to make. Love to have a healthy debate about it. And ProShop, by the way, that is really what ProShop does, right? I've talked about business processes for years and years now, but planning your jobs really in great detail, but doing it quickly and efficiently and in ways that you're not going to miss things is what ProShop's all about. So if this is something that is painful for you and your business, please reach out and we would love to talk. Thanks for watching. Thanks for reading, and we will see you on the next blog.